Recently I was listening to, I don't know, it was Kofi Kinaata's right?
Oh yeah,
But not
Benyum.
meaning there. The song is like an intro to the album or so. Or kind of like if you fear say,
Ah, yeah, yeah, no, no, no. It's a song.
it's a
It's a
song,
song.
right?
Yeah, yeah. Antiama.
That
The
song,
title is Antiama.
very good. That song is a typical Grammy song.
Talking about Grammys and actually so far in the industry, when I know na when Juma and other the kind of works they are doing, I mean, it clearly shows that these guys when they step up a little bit, I mean, we can represent them on the Grammys, Nazen.
I mean, um, once a Grammys, no, they don't look at popularity.
Yeah,
They don't look at popularity alone or something. You know, sometimes they look at the creativity. The Utie. Recently I was listening to, I don't know, it was Kofi Kinaata's right?
oh yeah,
But not
Benyum.
meaning there. The song is like an intro to the album or so. Or kind of like if you fear say,
Ah, yeah, yeah, no, no, no. It's a song.
it's a
It's a
song,
song.
right?
Yeah, yeah. Antiama.
That
The
song,
title is Antiama.
very good. That song is a typical Grammy song.
Hmm.
You know, so like I'm saying, Grammy is not really about ABR, Obi or yeah, popular, and that's it.
Yeah,
It's about the production that comes out,
yeah.
how unique they see it. You know, like I've been to California, I've met a couple of one or two people, and Utie one kasana wakana. It's not really about ABI. I say nipa na popular back home or nipa na say, but like there are certain songs that they select. You realize that no, this is a very good production. This will relate to everybody, and the rhythms are unique. But yeah, see.
Matter
So,
say.
so that's what I mean. And there are certain songs of what's his name um, um, oh, just yeah, me born the me ref.
Kinaata na Rocky Dauni.
No. There's another guy, the other guy, or a current boy. Uh,
Black Sherif
of
and
course, some
yeah,
Black
Black Sherif.
Sherif.
Yeah.
Black Sherif was selling songs. It can actually enter the pool of music in Grammys. And apart from that, remember, I say you were bands, binema, a people one cheddar and your popular.
Yeah.
Ghana, but what ball festivals? There's some
Yeah.
band we free.
Sun
One name that
Trophy. Sun Trophy.
Sound Trophy, Sound Trophy. You know,
Yeah.
these are guys. They play like warm out to the real music, and like that's what some of these people they are looking for. So yeah, I can go on and on. There are some songs of Stonebwoy
Yeah.
that I know can get into that pool of music. You know. And Ebi Kran and your popular song.
Yeah. Yeah. That's true.
Ebi Kran and your popular song, but it can actually get into that pool of music. So yeah, for me, Ghanaian artists are doing well, and they are really, really doing good, and they should just keep it on. Make sure their music is more natural. Make sure it is based on our background. Not too much copycat song. Say music based on the African background, based on maybe Ghanaian background. Emma, you're unique, and that's when you can stand. The other artists are what back on the international platform. Because
I
everybody
see.
has to come with something unique to be able to gain a space.